Can you tell us your experience of visiting your GP?
When I go in, I have to go to the desk and say, could the doctor shout my name out because I can't see. So that's quite good. And they're very good. And then I go and sit down and then they shout my name out. And then sometimes the doctor will come out and get me, or if I know where I'm going, I can go in.
How do you feel after this experience at the GP?
Well, in the beginning, I felt a bit sort of awkward, but I've got used to it now.
Would you like them to do anything in the future to help people with a sensory loss?
Well, they have got 2 new screens up now, and they do actually shout your name out, so that's a lot better. So, but I usually still say, just in case, that I can't see. Sometimes if I have to go a different way, I'm a bit puzzled because I have to stand, usually I go the right-hand side of the surgery, but if I go the left-hand side of the surgery to go to the doctor's, I am a bit muddled because I don't know which door it is. So I usually knock on the door and get the wrong doctor. But apart from that, that's fine.